Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape.
Hey guys, welcome back. Happy New Year! This is the first official video I am filming this 2022. Thank you so much, gorgeous, for tuning in. Gorgeous, you are welcome. I wish you blessed year. All your heart desire will be granted in Jesus' name. Amen. So I'm doing this hair is 5x5. So if you want to see how I installed this week, keep on watching. I will catch you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
Hey guys, the hair we'll be installing today is from Eayonhair. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. Pardon me if I don't pronounce it well. This hair it came packed. You can see, gorgeous. Let me bring it out. A wig cap. And this is the wig. It's 5x5 average size lace. Front wig, 22 inches, customized body wave. So it came with detachable adjustable strap, came also with an inbuilt strap and also some combs inside. This color is brown, it's not black that you guys are seeing. Let me see if you guys can see it well. And there's the color, so gorgeous. 5x5 lace wig. You can see the lace is up to this level. So I will install it and I will leave the link to this unit on the description box. So if you're interested, you can check that out, okay? And if there's any discount code, I'm going to leave it on the description box as well. In case if you don't like this color, they have other wigs on their website. I will leave the link of their website on the description box as well, so you check that out. In case if it is not this body wave you want, if it is coily or you need any other straight hair, you're going to get that on their website. Okay guys, let's see if there is shedding. Little shedding. See, just the strong from it. Doesn't have any bad smell, which is a plus to the hair. I hate it when a hair comes smelling bad. I don't like that. I like this one, smells so good. So guys, this is the wig on. So you guys know it's 5x5. You can see from here to here. So I'm just going to cut the excess lace from it. When it's 5x5, 4x4, if you're a beginner, it's very easy, and also it is fast, very fast to install as well. You install this very fast. You don't waste time. If you cut the lace, you don't want to like glue it down, you can wear this hair like that. So I'm going to cut the excess lace from it. You can see this is the lace right from here. So I'll cut it as close, very close to the hairline. The hair came pre-plucked, so I did not pluck it. You see this? So you can just like bring your hair down like this, then brush your hair. See? And that is all. This is the pattern. This is how long it is.
can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your la 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 la. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
Get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth. Get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking. I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often. I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids talking. I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend. Keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my nerves again. Summertime, go for a swim. Wintertime, go grab a sled.
I'm going to use little foundation to blend the front of my hair.
2 chains like the weather. My mom tell me it never ends. Like clocks, we evolve in a circle. Every 12 months we do it again. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Fill me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, like you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah.
So I coiled it. You see how it is when you coil the hair. Let me break this one down with two. And this is the front. So guys, that is it. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. And please go, just before you go, if you like it here, subscribe. Thank you so much for doing that, I really appreciate. And please, if you like this video, hit on that like button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Today remain gorgeous. Happy New Year once again. Bye.